Hi, in this video I will show how to convert pipe delimited file to tab delimited. So you can see on my computer I have a pipe delimited data file. I can open it in the notepad, just double click on it. And you can see I have a first row of this file are column names. It's a state name, state code, region, subregion. And the rest is the data. And states. State like Alaska, state code, region, subregion. So I also can open this file into Pipe Viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of pipe delimited file, and I can sort data and export into different format if I want to. But I will be converting this pipe delimited. I will leave link on this Pipe Viewer in description to this video too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna convert this file to Tab Delimited with application. I will start install from my website. I will leave link on this site into description. To find app, I will click on search and type pipe, and I need this convert pipe file, this page, and click on pipe to type delimited. And click on download button to start downloading process. I will be recording more videos on pipe and tab converters and different converters for different files. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. So you can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive to open it. Then click on MSI inside archive and click on more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on the shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we'll have to select input file. So I click on this button, navigate to my pipe file. It was called states pipe. Yep, this one. Click on open. I can add more files if there is the same structure. So click on next step. There are no conversion options here, so I just click on next step and click on the run button to start conversion, and it's asking me for a name and location of this tab file. This name location is okay, just click save, and file has been saved, and let's go and see file. So I have a tab viewer. It's a free application. It's showing what is inside tab file. And you can see all our states has been successfully converted to tab data file. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.